Hi everybody, Colleen here from Feel Great Reflexology Massage Cupping. Today we are going to be working on our hands and we are going to be doing some reflexology. So get ready and let's start. So, which body system has been ailing you? A lot of people say it's the digestive system. So I'm going to show you some tips and some tricks that you can use to help relieve the digestive system. Simple and easy. The digestive system you will find in this area of the hand. So where I'm covering it up is where you'll find it. So I am just going to finger walk across the digestive tract. And it's very easy and very simple. And we're going to do that on both hands. And you'll see how easily I can finger walk or finger nibble. And as I do that, I take my time and I do it gradually. And there are different ways that you can do it, whether you're resting your hand on a table or holding it up in the air or on your lap. And now what I'd like to show you is how I use my knuckles. Instead of using my fingers, I'm just using my knuckles to really get in there and rotate on the palm of the hand that contains the digestive reflexes. Now, I'm going to do it on the table as well, and the goal is to stroke downwards. So I'm using my knuckles and I'm just rotating downwards. And the reason I do that is because some people may have difficulty bending the thumbs to do a thumb walk or bending the fingers to do a finger walk. So the knuckles are getting in there and they're really helping to stimulate the digestive system. Now, big trick for me is if I'm really in need of some movement in the digestive tract, I will use my hands and I will treat this left hand and I will do a backwards C. So my backwards C starts here, goes down, and goes across. And I will finger walk across the transverse colon and finger walk down or thumb walk down the descending colon and across the sigmoid colon and circle on the rectum and the anus and just repeat that stroke along those body parts and I get a lot of relief. So if you're in need of some digestive relief, give it a try. I hope you like what we learned today and I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.